Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a green screen in Capcut. So here, you can start by clicking on the new project and find the green screen. You can easily find it on the Capcut library. Just type in green screen as the keyword. So you need to find a green screen background first. Okay, this one. I'm going to just use the first one. Click on add. Okay, so now what you need to do is add an image or also a video that you want to add into the green screen. So you can use the overlay button in here. Click on add overlay and then just find your video. So I'm going to just scroll down. Okay, so for example, I want to add this woman into the green screen. So just click on the video, click on add. Now to add the moment into the green screen, you can just first remove the background. Let's use the auto removal. Just wait. Okay, now click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the size like this. Okay, let's wait until the background is fully removed. Okay, so now the background is removed. Don't forget to adjust the length of the green screen to match with the video like this. And that's it. You'll have your own green screen. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye!